Hello everyone, in this video we'll be creating this beautiful hairstyle with curls in the style of Hollywood waves. The challenge of this hairstyle lies in achieving a beautiful and even volume in the upper occipital area. Since my model's hair is natural and not very voluminous, simply backcombing it evenly would be quite tricky. The easiest solution is to use a hair padding. For this specific hairstyle, I'll be using 2 paddings. You can also purchase one large round padding, carefully take it apart and cut it into several pieces. For curling, I am using a 25mm curling iron. This is a simple curling iron from AliExpress, but you can use any other one. It doesn't make a difference. If your hair struggles to hold curls, apply Schwarzkopf Liquid Pump Spray to each strand before curling. Just be sure to spray it from a distance and let it dry completely, as you shouldn't curl damp hair. I also use Redken spray wax during the process to smooth the surface of each strand and give it a glossy effect. If you only use dry aerosol products, your hairstyle will have a matte finish and the waves will appear more voluminous, but you won't achieve a glossy look. At the end, I'll use Ossi's Shine Spray to add even more shine to the final style. Be sure to watch the video until the end, because the result will be a stunning hairstyle. I can't wait to hear your comments. I've always loved this hairstyle, which is why I decided to create a separate video on it. Although I have a wide variety of videos on my YouTube channel, this is the first time I'm featuring this particular style, so I really hope you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Unlock 7 days of free access to my complete styling course on Patreon. Enjoy over 70 hours of videos in English, lists of essential products and tools, exclusive courses on boho styles, waves, curls and more. Plus, get the wave and glam hair transformation course. Join now and start your free trial today.